Buffalo Plaid is awesome, until you want it gone. Today, we're tackling the tricky task of removing that iconic pattern without ruining your project. Whether it's a vinyl design on fabric, a stubborn graphic on a mug, or even a digital pattern layer you want to ditch, I'll show you some safe and effective techniques to reclaim your surface. First up, vinyl on fabric. Apply gentle heat using a heat gun or iron on a low setting. This softens the adhesive work in short bursts to avoid scorching the fabric. Now, using a weeding tool or tweezers, gently lift a corner of the vinyl. Pull slowly and steadily at a 45-degree angle. If it resists, add a bit more heat. If any adhesive residue remains, use a lint roller or a specialized adhesive remover. Follow the product instructions carefully to avoid damaging the fabric. Now, for those stubborn designs on hard surfaces, like mugs, soaking the item in hot, soapy water can loosen the adhesive. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then, use a plastic scraper to gently peel away the design. Avoid using metal scrapers, as they can scratch the surface. Finally, clean the surface with rubbing alcohol to remove any stubborn residue. For digital designs, it's even easier. Simply select the Buffalo Plaid layer in your design software and delete it or make it invisible, and that's it. You've successfully removed the Buffalo Plaid pattern. Remember to always test your chosen method in an inconspicuous area first. Happy DIing!